paleontologists! Welcome back to our Jurassic dinosaur adventure. Today, we have 14 amazing prehistoric friends waiting for us. Let's look carefully and say their names out loud. Let's explore. Look at the mighty green Tyrannosaurus Rex or T-Rex. It has a giant skull and very tiny cute arms. It stomps loudly and rules the prehistoric jungle. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Here is a special glowing theropod. It walks on 2 strong legs and is a very fast runner. It explores the mysterious prehistoric forests at night. Theropod. Now we meet the green Parasaurolophus. It has a long tube on its head to make loud music to call its family. It wanders peacefully across the wide green plains. Parasaurolophus. Look at the giant blue and purple Brachiosaurus. It uses its super long neck to reach the most delicious leaves at the top. It walks slowly among the tall ancient trees. Brachiosaurus! Here is the pink Spinosaurus. It has a big sail on its back and a long mouth just like a crocodile. It swims skillfully to catch big fish in the deep rivers. Spinosaurus! Wow! Another T-Rex! This dark green one stands in a classic pose with its tail touching the ground. It roars proudly in the hidden dinosaur valley. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look at the tough Triceratops. It has 3 sharp horns and a big bone shield on its head to stay safe. It charges bravely to protect its babies in the open fields. Triceratops. Here is an orange theropod with cool black stripes. It is a fast hunter with sharp teeth running on its two back legs. It sneaks softly through the thick prehistoric bushes. Theropod. Wait! Look at this green creature with wings. It can breathe fire, but it is a mythical dragon, not a real dinosaur. It only lives in our magical fairy tales. Dragon. Now we see the unique Amargasaurus. It has a long neck and 2 rows of tall spikes standing up on its back. It travels with its herd near the freshwater streams. Amargasaurus! Look at the heavy orange Ankylosaurus. It wears strong bone armor and has a club tail that swings like a hammer. It rests safely on the warm dirt ground. Ankylosaurus! Here is a glowing Pachycephalosaurus. It has a very thick round skull that looks just like a tough helmet. It plays happily in the sunny prehistoric woods. Pachycephalosaurus! Look at the bright orange Stegosaurus. It has large colorful plates on its back and sharp spikes on its tail. It slowly eats soft plants in the warm valley. Stegosaurus! Finally, here is a small, glowing blue theropod. It is a quick little hunter that runs very fast on 2 legs. It darts quickly through the dark, magical jungle. Theropod. our dinosaur adventure has come to an end. But the magic of history never stops. From the giant prehistoric forests to the deep rivers, our 14 friends are going back to their times. Remember to always keep exploring and learning about our amazing world. Bye-bye for now, and see you soon.